In order to make Carousel post on Canva, begin by creating a new design. You have the option to choose from either an Instagram post with dimensions 1080 by 1080 pixels or an Instagram story that measures 1080 by 1920 pixels. This choice will depend on the format you wish to use for your content. Add multiple pages for more content. To include additional slides in your design, simply click on Add Page button for each new slide you wish to create. This allows you to expand your message beyond a single slide and makes your design more dynamic. Ensure a smooth flow across slides, and it's important to align elements consistently across all the slides to facilitate a seamless transition from one slide to the next. So by maintaining uniformity in your layout, you enhance the viewer's experience as they navigate through your content. Now for each slide, take the time to incorporate engaging components such as text, images, and icons. This will help make each slide visually appealing and ensure that your audience remains engaged with the information you are presenting. And when you are satisfied with your design and ready to save your work, simply click on the Share button in the top right corner and then click on Download. And then select all pages to ensure that you get each slide in high quality input. Now, post on Instagram for maximum reach. Once you have all the slides downloaded, proceed to upload them to Instagram in the correct order to create an eye-catching carousel. This format will allow viewers to fight through your slides seamlessly. And there you have it. You're all set to share your beautifully crafted design. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.